What's up guys, welcome back to one of my videos, and in this video we are going to be making a boat that can transform into a plane. And guys, just to remind you, if you guys want me to build anything, please do comment down below and I will build it for you. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so, that was from last video, but first we will need a boat. And I'm probably going to split this into two different videos. One will be actually making the boat. The other will be making the plane part of it. But this video we're going to be making the boat. So first of all, we need the boat to float. So we need balance. Not large pontoons. Yeah, maybe. No. What do we want to use? I'm going to do medium pontoon. Yeah, I think that will look good once we have put them all along the side. Gotta copy them down the side. Copy that over. Just like this. And there we go. Now in theory that should, yep, that floats. Nope, I don't want it to be. Yep. I can't get on it. I can't. Okay, yeah, I can't do this. It's feeding me. But let's. What seat will we use? Let's use the cockpit. Put that straight in the middle there. And now let's make this actually work like a boat. So let's just line the hole underneath with underwater propellers. Nope. These can't be S and W. All of these need to be space and shift. So that means I need to get rid of every single one that's in this line here. And I just need to put all these, copy them all back over. Like that. And copy them over. Just a lot of copy and paste. We'll be back after this short break. But it's not short, nor is it a break. Okay, now that wow. This thing is fast. But is it fast enough to be able to fly? That is the question. Now let's try and make this thing look. Now let's try and make this thing look good. So my words weren't wording right then. Frame, maybe take one of these. Not like that, but like trying to go for like, oh no, trying to go for like some like a fishing boat, kind of like. It's hard to describe what type of view I'm going for. What type of view I'm going for here. But the best way I can describe it is kind of like a fishing boat. If that makes any sense at all. Take that. Yep. Move that forward. Just like that. And there we go. But yeah, for now, that is the boat part. So I'll catch you guys up in the next video where I make it into a plane. So you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.